Hi, welcome to our video on how to be thankful every day. So, why is gratitude important? Studies have shown that being grateful can boost happiness, reduce anxiety, and even improve physical health. But how do you make gratitude a daily habit? Here are some tips. First, start with the little things. Look for small things in your daily life that you can be grateful for, like a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a smile from a stranger. Next, practice mindfulness. Take a few moments each day to focus on the present moment and reflect on the things you're thankful for. Another tip is to keep a gratitude journal. Write down a few things you're grateful for each day, and read over them when you're feeling down. And finally, express gratitude to others. Whether it's a simple thank you or a heartfelt note, showing appreciation to others can help strengthen relationships and make you feel good. Try implementing these tips and see how it transforms your perspective. Thanks for watching.